This is Dr. Peck from Redbud Dental. I'm going to do an unboxing video on our Sonic S scaler for our clinical team. This is the Sonic S scaler as it's packaged from the factory. We buy the Sonic S in the K configuration, which means it fits on our Cavo multi-flex couplers. When you open this up, you'll find a few things on top. These are important. The instructions tell us things that we need to know about it. This here is really important, commonly thrown away. This is the tip wear card, and it will tell us, it says on the back, green is good, yellow is starting to be worn and getting close to needing a replacement, red is too worn, do not use. And this tip guide is then used with the tips, which come packaged in here as well, to determine when to replace them. Other things you'll find is this is the scaler itself. We call this a quick sonic scaler, or sometimes an air sonic scaler, as opposed to an ultrasonic scaler or Cavitron type scaler. We'll use this as a replacement for the Cavitron type scaler, especially in situations with less tartar, such as prophies. This is more portable, very easy to take to the room and attach to the Cavo multi-flex coupler. You'll also find a water jet cleaning tool. You can use that to clean out the water jets in the tip of the instrument and also in the scaling tips. You'll find 3 scaling tips packaged with this kit. We have also a very important piece, which is a wrench for putting the scaler tip on. If you do not tighten the tip with the wrench, it will not work correctly. If you tighten it with any other wrench, you can over tighten it and break the scaler. So we want to use this wrench and we want to keep it together. When we sterilize this instrument, we'll sterilize the scaler itself, 3 tips and the wrench together as a kit. And each time all of that will come to the op, and the doctor will pick the tip that they want, put it on with the wrench, and then treat the patient. We'll look at how we can tell when the tips are worn. Here we have the SJ2 tip. You can read the side, it's laser etched on there. We find SJ2 on the wear card. Hold it up to match the profile, and we see this one is green because it's brand new and hasn't been used. When it gets down between the yellow and red, it's time to order a replacement. We don't want to use it past the red. So it comes with the SJ2 tip. It also comes with the SJ1 tip, which is this one here, used for deeper tartar, and the SJ3 tip, which is this one here, and that's typically a universal tip. This is what would probably be used for most prophies, is the SJ3 tip. This water jet cleaning tool can clean out the water jets in the handpiece itself, and then also there's a small water jet that runs down the middle of the scaler tips, and you can use this tool to clean those out as well between sterilization cycles. It'll go down the hole and come out. Make sure that no debris gets stuck in there, clogging the tip. And between each sterilization cycle, we need to perform maintenance on the Sonic S scaler using the Lubrina machine. As with any other instrument that we use in the Lubrina, it needs to have the appropriate tip installed. Just like with handpieces, need a burr. For this, we need to place a tip and wrench tighten it. Then we'll open the Lubrina and place this on one of the multi-flex couplers. We'll go ahead and start a cycle, and we'll wait for it to complete. Once the cycle is complete, we open the Lubrina, remove the scaler, and clean excess oil with an alcohol wipe. We need to remove the tip, and then package the scaler, wrench, and 3 tips together for sterilization. The whole entire kit will be put together, the 3 tips, the wrench, and the scaler, in the autoclave, and should be sterilized in a wrap or a pouch on the handpiece cycle in our Midmark M11 autoclave. You'll see that it says 135 degrees Celsius max on there. The M11 does 132 degrees for the handpiece and the pouches cycle. this should be done on the handpiece cycle because it has lots of little nooks and crannies that take a little longer to sterilize.